Hey, what's going on? This is Mike with BrandTheBoss.com, and in this video I'm going to be going over why most affiliate marketers do not succeed. So stay right there. Alright, so let's jump into this. So you're probably on this video because you're not seeing as much success in your affiliate business, or you've hit a plateau and you're just trying to break on through. Well, it comes down to a few things, and if you implement any one of these few things, you should start to see some more success and some more commissions actually rolling in. So the first reason why most affiliates do not succeed is, one, they do not run unique ads to drive traffic. Now, what I mean by that is, one, you're not running ads, period. Or two, the ads that you are running are the same type of ads everybody else is running as well. Usually the done for you, copy and paste, I'm gonna just use what this guru gave me, or whatever this affiliate offer it is that they provided for me, the swipes. Okay, the whole point of swipes is to take it and craft the message as your own, with your own story and your own brand. Okay, and this whole thing is actually going to touch on building your own brand, but when it comes to driving traffic using unique ads, you want to be telling your story in these ads. It doesn't matter what ad source that you are using. It could be from YouTube, Facebook, Google, whatever. The whole point is you want to tell your story in these ads. You want to get people to know, like, and trust you. Don't tell somebody else's story. Don't tell the story of this guru. Just because you're selling somebody else's product or course or whatever, brand yourself, then refer that person's products or courses. So your ads need to be built around you and your story. So let's jump to the second thing. So the second reason why most affiliates don't succeed is they don't have a unique sales funnel to convert their leads. So we talked about the traffic. So now you're generating traffic, but now you're sending them to where? Hopefully you're not sending them straight to the sales page. You need a way to collect these leads. So you want to send them to an opt-in page that is branded around you. Once they enter their email address, the next page should be a bridge page talking about you and your story and why you think that product A, B, and C is good for your prospect. What happens is, if you are a beginner, or if you just don't know any better, you've probably taken the sales funnel that was provided to you from whomever's product it is that you're selling, and are just using that. What you have to understand is you're not the only affiliate selling this person's product. So that means your prospect has probably seen that exact sales funnel that's being provided to everyone numerous times. So you have to establish a unique sales funnel. That means it has to be branded around you. That means they need to see your face, they need to hear your story, they need to see your results, or they need to know why it is that you are referring whatever it is you are referring to them. So if you're in that situation, go back to your sales funnels and start doing some edits and some work on them, and start crafting it to you and your brand. So the third reason why most affiliate marketers don't succeed is they're not sending a unique follow-up email sequence once they have captured those leads. See, the whole point of taking the email address isn't just to collect the email address. All right, the reason behind that is you want to follow up with your prospect, because most sales don't happen on the first try. So if you're under the assumption that once somebody hits your sales page and they decide to give you their email address to learn more information, if you think that once they do that, you're going to make a sale, then you're sadly mistaken, and this is probably why you're watching this video. The reason behind having that email address is you want to send a follow-up sequence to them, because it usually takes anywhere between 5 and 12 touch points to convert somebody into a sale, because they have to take the time to know, like, and trust you. And trust this. They're probably on a bunch of other people's email lists as well. And so if you're not following up with them, they're going to forget about who you are and what it is that you're offering. Most people will forget that they stuck their email address in something. So you want to craft an email sequence that's at least 12 emails long, so that you're constantly reminding them of who you are and what it is that you are offering. Because they see it enough times, at anywhere between that 5th and 12th email, they will pull the trigger and buy whatever it is, if it is something that they want to do. So if you don't already have an email sequence, craft an email sequence. There are enough people out there that provide swipes. Take those swipes and make them your own. Tell your story and continue to remind your prospect of who you are and what it is that you have to offer to them. So the fourth reason for why affiliate marketers aren't finding much success is they don't have a unique and powerful sales video that brands them and converts their prospects or leads into sales. Now this kind of goes back to the whole sales funnel reasoning, where once you've collected that lead, you want to send them over to a bridge page that tells your story, and then gives them that aha or that epiphany moment on why, you know, product XYZ is the answer for them. You don't just want to use the video that you were provided by the product owner. You want to brand yourself. The reason that people buy is because of people. Remember, these products are out there for anybody to get at any time, but it takes an individual and that person and their unique personality and all of that. That's what's going to make the sale. You are what's going to make the sale and be the reason for why somebody decides to buy a product from you. So don't just give them some done for you carbon copy sales funnel or video that everyone else is providing as well. Take the time to shoot a video, tell your story, and let them know why you are referring them to this product. You want to let them know how it's changed your life or it's changed your business or whatever, and how you believe it can do the same for them. So take the time to craft that powerful video that is branded around you. You'll notice that all these 4 points come down to building a brand. And that is how you are going to be successful in affiliate marketing. If you look at any other guru who is super successful in affiliate marketing, the one thing that they've all done is they've built a brand around them. Model that. Use it. And if you like this information and find it valuable, click that link below to learn more about all of this, because these are things that I had to learn as well. And so save yourself the time and effort and click the link below. But before you do that, like this video, hit the red button and subscribe. And as always, I am Mike Garvey with BrandTheBoss.com, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.